when thousands of roads are in front of you and you have to choose any. On each of these journeys, you will feel the special magic. What you won't be able to see, you will be able to hear. These sounds will remind you of the happiness and moments of grief. Even if you can't understand something, you will sense. The depth and the power of our land, which fills every traveler. The depth and the power of our land, which fills ourselves. In search of precious moments, you obtain much more than you've been expecting. No matter how far you set out, you will always find new friends. Maybe you will find something more. Discovering Belarus with Veliva.